Make production difficulties a thing of the past with the new Orbimax MXi series Pulse MIG welders. Available in a range of different sizes and configurations, choose between compact or separate wire feeders and gas or water-cooled options. Made in Germany, the MX series delivers the latest smart technology in a way that is exceptionally easy to use, no matter the experience of the operator. The inbuilt digital display and control panel is similar to a mobile phone, easy to use, ensuring consistency across different operators. The master control button serves multiple processes similar to a computer mouse. To create a weld, simply choose the material grade, wire and gas type, and you're ready to weld. Exclusive to the MXi smart machines, discover Focus Arc, Focus Pulse and Focus Root. Focus Arc provides exceptional depth of penetration and up to 30% faster welding speeds for optimum performance on mild and stainless steel from 6mm in thickness. Focus Pulse works by agitating the weld pool and pre-cleaning the material. Step up your pipe welding game with Focus Root. Experience an exceptionally stable arc and speed up pipe root welding up to 7 times when compared to TIG welding. Designed for positional root welding and the perfect partner for a welding rotator. All weld settings can be adjusted independently, or you can simply change characteristics using arc length and inductance. Once you have the perfect settings, you can store, load, and save in a weld library for future use. The MXi series Pulse MIG welders are ideal for use on a broad range of applications, including aluminium, stainless steel, mild steel. Thanks to an industry-leading inverter with an incredible duty cycle, you can weld faster, increase your productivity, and ensure a safer working environment. Call us today to discuss how the machines will bring true bottom-line gains and increase capacity. Weld smarter with Orbimax.